Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading, specifically focusing on MEXC, a leading exchange in the market. If you're looking to start your crypto trading journey or enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. MEXC offers a user-friendly platform, secure trading environment, and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies for you to trade. Now, let's talk about an incredible opportunity waiting for you. By using my referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock exclusive benefits that are designed to enhance your trading experience. When you sign up with MEXC using the referral code 12K4M5, you can enjoy perks such as reduced trading fees and access to special promotions that MEXC offers to its users. This means more profits in your pocket as you trade your favorite cryptocurrencies. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, these benefits can significantly improve your overall trading experience. MEXC also provides a robust security system to keep your assets safe, along with advanced trading tools to help you make informed decisions. With its seamless interface and responsive customer support, you can trade with confidence, knowing you are backed by a reputable exchange. So, if you're ready to take your crypto trading to the next level, ensure you use the referral code 12K4M5 when signing up. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits. Thank you for watching this video on Crypto Horizon. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly, and with MEXC by your side, you can navigate it more effectively while enjoying fantastic rewards. Happy trading!